boys and girls, Mrs. Hanson here. Now we get to do a science experiment. You know Mrs. Hanson loves our science experiments. So I actually started planning this one a couple days ago, and it is called the naked egg. So you will only need three, maybe four ingredients for your experiment. A clear glass jar, a raw, uncooked egg. So remember, all yolky and the whites and stuff all gooey. It's not boiled or anything. Raw, cold, uncooked egg. And my favorite ingredient, vinegar. So what you need to do, take your vinegar. If you need to put it in a smaller cup, you can. You're going to pour your vinegar in your clear glass, clear jar, whatever you have. So you have some room because now we are going to put our egg. We're going to put our egg inside. Remember, vinegar is stinky, right? So we're going to put our egg inside. And then, guess what we're going to do? We're going to put it to the side for 2 whole days. So let me pause and I'll come back in 2 days. Okay, we're back. It has not been 2 days. But say we were to come back after 2 days. Now, Mrs. Hanson started one the other day, 2 days ago, and we put some pink food coloring in it. So this has been sitting for 2 days. You guys can see it got kind of foamy and cookie inside, but it sat there for 2 whole days and we put food coloring in it. So if you want to put food coloring in there, it will dye your egg. So this is what happened to our egg after 2 days. I'm going to wipe it off just because it's got like foamy stuff. So here is our egg after 2 days. Look what happened. The vinegar dissolved the shell and now it's naked. It doesn't have its shell anymore, but it's still all soft and wiggly. So say I were to drop this egg would splatter all over the place. But the vinegar ate through the shell and now it even got bigger. Can you tell it's bigger? I'll take this one out. So it even got fatter. Look how much fatter it got. And obviously we put food coloring in it. But the shell dissolved off of the egg and it isn't there anymore. So if we were to drop it, do you want to show them our egg? Lily helped me. I was showing them our egg. You want to squeeze it? Remember, don't squeeze it too hard. What's going to happen if we squeeze it too hard?
It will, the egg will then,
it will break.
It will break and then it will go all over.
Because is it still raw egg inside? Is it still got raw yolk in there and stuff? Yes. So I showed you. So if you guys want to do this at home, so you guys can maybe do different colors or just do a white one. It's still okay to if you don't want to color it. Oh, be careful you don't want to break it. That one's not raw. That one's the one I just put in there. So if you guys want to do this, this is called the naked egg, and the shell goes away. And I know one of our friends, Chloe, at home, she did this experiment the other day, and she dropped it, and then it went splat all over the place. So if you guys want to do a big splat, make sure you guys have a big bowl or container or something, or if you guys want to do it outside or whatever you want to do, just make sure you have somewhere for it to go because eggs are not fun to pick up. They're very messy. So if you guys want to do that, it takes about 2 days for the vinegar to dissolve the shell and make it look like it's naked. So I hope you guys like that experiment, and I hope you guys have a great day. Do you want to come say bye with me? Bye, guys.